Hey guys, what's going on? And today we're going to be discussing the top 5 high-paying skills in 2021 with no college degree. Number 5 on this list is web design. If you've been paying attention in the last few years, web design has really been popping off, and that is due to the tons of unlimited resources that we have available to us for free, such as YouTube and coding boot camps. The median pay is about $73,000 a year, and it's growing at a rate of 8% a year, which is faster than average. Now, for those who have no idea where to start, YouTube is a great place to learn, and you're going to need to learn the coding languages such as JavaScript, HTML, and Python. Next on this list, number 4 is copywriting. And copywriting is basically just writing persuasive articles online to get people to buy the product. This is such as things like the hottest car in 2021 or the hottest fashion trend. And they'll make about $58,000 a year, and this is a great side hustle for those who are good at writing, they're persuasive, and have great communication skills. You can make about $50 a side project. Number 3 on this list is trade careers. Trade careers are really underrated, and this is for anyone who loves to work outside, do physical labor, and also there's less competition with trade careers now, as less and less people are filling the jobs. The median salary is $45,000 to $60,000 a year, and the top careers are electrician, plumber, construction manager, and dentist. Next on this list, we have sales. Now, the salary for sales can vary greatly. If you're really good at it, you can make upwards of 6 to 7 figures, as every company needs great salespeople. But if you're an average, you're probably looking about $45,000 a year, and a lot of people recommend reading books and going to seminars to understand how to sell better. Now, you really need to have money on your mind in this profession, and reading books such as How to Win Friends and Influence People can really excel your career. And if you're extroverted, you're persuasive, and you're a great communicator, this can be an amazing career for you. Now, taking the number 1 spot is software engineering. Software engineers design apps for your iPhone, they design products for your computer such as YouTube, VideoScribe, anything. And they make about $100,000 a year to $200,000 a year, depending on experience. Now, a lot of people say you need a degree for this, but you really don't. You just need a great portfolio, because companies such as Google and Apple have been getting rid of the requirement for a college degree. Now, this career is great for people who love computers, are more introverted, they want a high salary, and it has a growth of 16% a year. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.